Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to add EBT card to Stop & Shop account. While we're setting up your Snap EBT card for Stop & Shop, did you know you can also use your Snap EBT card on Amazon for groceries and other essentials? I've included a link in the description where you can sign up and start using it right away. We will also tag some of the Snap eligible products in this video. To start, open the website stopandshop.com. Then click on Sign In. A list will then appear, and you will see another option for Sign In. Click again on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, browse which category you're going to buy for. You could click on the categories above, or scroll down and click on Shop Now under the categories provided. Next, click on the Add to Cart button under all the items you wish to buy. Once you have added to cart all the items you wish to buy, click on the cart icon at the top right part of the page. Now, review the items. Then click on Checkout. For shipping method, you could choose either pickup or delivery. Note that the delivery is on selected areas only. After selecting a shipping method and time for pickup or delivery, click again on the Checkout button. Before you proceed to payment, review and confirm your contact information. Then click on Save. Now, enter your payment information. This is necessary for you to be able to add and use your EBT card. After entering all the required information, click on Save and Continue. Review your details. If everything's good, click on Finish. Finally, you can now add your EBT card by clicking on the Add EBT card option, under Payment Method. You will then be directed to this page. Here, scroll down and you will see the information you need to provide. On the fields, enter your last name, first name, and EBT card number. After entering, click on Save. Now your card has been added. You may now proceed on placing your order. That's how you add EBT card to Stop & Shop account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.